Back on the right stand with the update that the Supreme Court has quashed the habeas corpus filed against the Isha Foundation, noting that the women had informed the court that they were living there voluntarily and without any coercion, and also questioning whether or not there was a larger political motive behind this entire plea. Listen in to this reaction of the monks Ma Mati and Ma Mayu.
Namaskaram. I'm Ma Mayu. This just now Dashara got over. They say Dashara is celebration of victory of good over evil. This is something I feel is the victory of truth. Satyameva Jayate. I'd like to thank the Supreme Court of India for reinforcing our trust in the Constitution. Like few allegations from various sides has been that we've been influenced. I'd like to say that I'm a person who's only influenced by what is within me. I don't, right from the beginning of my journey in Isha, I just came, participated in the programs and went back. I've not interacted with anybody. It was not until 7 years after I did the first program that I knew that there's something called monkhood which I could also take. I was such an introvert and a taciturn person. Only after I came to know about it, I came to know that this is the way I'm already living and this is the natural course for me. The only influence in me is what is happening within me. Like for whatever Isha Yoga programs I've been through, my roommate introduced me to the program. She's married and settled in Ireland with a daughter. For the subsequent programs, like thousands of people have participated, but we are just 200 people here. Each one of us, what touched us is different, because it's not what somebody says. It's about what is true within and what has worked within me. That is what brings us to Isha. The only common thread is the truth of life, and that is what brings us as a community together.
Namaskaram. I'm Ma Mati. I am very happy that the judiciary has given a statement like this, and I knew that it's about Satyameva Jayate, truth always triumphs, and I am very proud of this. This is not as an achievement, but this is as a true offering that not only me but plenty of people here and around the world are doing it as an offering. So I wish it's their victory as well, and the truth's victory. It's not ours. And this decision of becoming a volunteer, full-time volunteer, was entirely mine, and nobody has forced me or compelled me to stay here. And every day when I think about it, I feel really happy, because the opportunity that this possibility holds is really huge. I was even thinking, rather than being a water in a contained vessel, I think I'm like a water in a river, which is just nourishing wherever it goes and whoever drinks the water. So I feel very happy about it.
And I'd like to state that this is the safest place for women, because we come from a deeper experience. Here we are full of people who don't even look whether you are a man or a woman. So what safer place can be here on the planet? I don't know. Especially when I was going through this media trial and everything since 2016. There were times when I felt that, because of some misunderstanding, we are being projected so badly as an organization. I could have as well begged on the streets for these few years and, not burden the organization. But the only thing stopping me was, I'm a woman and I need safety, and there's no safer place for a woman there's no safer place for a woman than this place. So even those who speak ill of us, we have to include them, because they are in much more need of this than the others who've tasted something of the truth. This is not women's empowerment, because this is empowerment of the human spirit, where you don't even care or bother whether you're a man or a woman.
So, in the past 8 years, since 2016, there was media scrutiny and invasion, which was really distressing. On and off, they were asking whether really out of your own will, and today in media it's just blown up that our personal details is all over. It doesn't matter if it's a man or a woman. I would request some right to privacy and freedom in which I live my life.
I don't know if you look through my interviews, Sadhguru's name is one thing I don't take at all, because for various reasons he's become the target of attack of so many people, because his very existence and his wisdom is a threat to ignorant people who've invested a lot in their ignorance, though his intention is reaching out even to them and offering well-being to them. It is unfortunate that this is the situation, but then whatever growth I've seen within me as a human being, whatever I've been able to contribute to the larger society, and the meaning of life that I didn't even know I was seeking for, and anything profound that's happened within me, it's only because of Sadhguru. And in spite of so much backlash that the organization had to face when we were going through this ordeal, the only thing he's told was, whatever the girls wish, they should be able to lead that way of life. Never once has he told that, not to us or to anybody, that this is the path you should choose. That way, without Sadhguru, I don't know. Thanking Sadhguru would be impossible.